What if I told you the only thing standing between you and the life you dream of is procrastination? Every day you say, "I'll start tomorrow," but tomorrow never comes, and you know it. You feel the pressure, the guilt, the desire to change, but you're still stuck. That ends here. This video is for you. Tired of watching life pass you by while you stay frozen? Today, we're going to uncover how to stop procrastinating once and for all. Because yes, I know how hard it is. Your mind creates perfect excuses, promises comfort, instant pleasure, but gives you nothing but stagnation. This video doesn't offer empty phrases. You'll get real tools, practical, emotional, powerful. Ready for real change? Subscribe now and watch the video to transform your life. Let me tell you something personal. There was a time in my life when I'd wake up with anxiety, not because of what I had to do, but because of what I was avoiding. I had goals, dreams, but every time I said later, I was burying my confidence a little deeper. Until one day, I'd had enough. I looked in the mirror and said, "I'm tired of living like I have 1,000 lives. I have one, and I'm wasting it." That was the first day I stopped procrastinating. Not because everything changed overnight, but because I made a decision to start, even if I was scared. You felt it too, haven't you? You want to start working out, but you wait for Monday. You want to launch that project, but you're waiting to feel ready. You want to study, grow, do more, but you're stuck in the cycle of postponing. And then comes the guilt, the frustration, the anger at yourself. But listen to me. This isn't laziness. It's not that you can't. It's that you don't know how to break the cycle. And today, you're going to learn how. Because yes, there is a way out. There are strategies that work. There are tools that give you back control. You don't have to be perfect. You just need to start. Now that you recognize the problem, it's time to face it with real tools. First strategy, the 5-minute rule. Sounds simple, but it's life-changing. Got a task you're avoiding? Don't focus on finishing it, just do it for 5 minutes. 5 minutes of action creates a domino effect in your brain. Because the real wall isn't the task, it's getting started. Once you start, momentum shows up. And momentum is power. Try it right after this video. One task, just 5 minutes. Watch what happens. Second strategy, kill the multitasking myth. We've been taught multitasking is productive. It's not. Multitasking makes you feel busy, but leaves you empty. Do one thing, but do it well. Do it with focus, with intention. Your mind needs clarity, not chaos. That's where the sacred focus block comes in. Set aside 25 minutes. Turn off all notifications. Set a timer. In that time, commit to just one important task. When you're done, celebrate. Every small win is a victory against procrastination. Third strategy. Understand the fear behind procrastination. Yes, behind every delay is a fear. Fear of failing, fear of not being enough, fear of what people might think. Procrastination isn't lack of interest, it's self-protection. Your mind is avoiding pain. But hear this, avoiding fear won't remove it. It feeds it. Facing it sets you free. Next time you're about to put something off, ask yourself, what am I protecting myself from? Answer honestly. That awareness alone can be a breakthrough. Fourth strategy, build systems, not willpower. Willpower is limited. Systems work even on your worst days. Set reminders, use calendars, create rituals, share your goals with someone who supports you. Don't wait to feel motivated. Create the conditions to act, because action creates motivation. not the other way around. Every time you choose action, even a tiny step, you're rewriting your story. Every time you silence an excuse, you're taking your power back. You're not lazy, you're strong. You just needed a plan. Now you have it. If this content is inspiring you, drop a comment below, subscribe now, and keep growing with Potentium. The best is yet to come. Now listen carefully with an open heart. Your life doesn't change when you get super motivated. It changes the moment you make a decision, and today could be that moment. That turning point when you say, I don't want to live halfway anymore. I don't want my dreams buried in excuses. I won't be a slave to fear. Procrastination doesn't make you weak. It makes you human. But deciding to stop, that makes you free. Freedom isn't having everything figured out. It's choosing to move, even when things are still unclear. And if you move today, even with a tiny step, you'll break invisible chains that have held you back for years. Today, you've learned that procrastination isn't laziness. It's fear. It's mental overload. It's emotional fatigue. But you've also seen the path out. The 5-minute rule, single task focus, naming and facing your fears, building systems that support you. Because in the end, it's not about doing more. It's about doing what matters. Daily, with soul, with purpose. And the best part, you don't need a perfect version of yourself. You only need the version of you that's ready to begin. If you've made it this far, it's because something inside you already chose change, and that's more than enough. From Potentium, I want to remind you, you're not alone, you're not broken, you're not late, you're right on time, and the best chapters of your life haven't even been written yet. If this video woke something up in you, don't keep it to yourself. Like it, share it, subscribe, because someone out there needs to hear this.